Like other elements, a floor is associated with a level. To place a floor on the mezzanine level of the model, double-click the mezzanine floor plan in the project browser. Floors are sketch-based elements. Selecting the floor tool opens a sketch mode in which the perimeter of the floor is sketched with a closed loop of lines. In this example, some walls placed in the model will be used to define the shape of the floor. The Pick Walls tool from the Draw panel can be used to help sketch the floor perimeter. Using this tool also creates a constraint between the floor edge and the wall. If a wall is moved to accommodate a design change, the floor will also automatically move with it. Click each wall to use it as the basis for the sketch boundary. The parallel lines shown near the sketch line of the floor indicate the span direction of the floor. In this case, the floor is a generic floor, so the span direction is not critical. If the span direction needs to be changed, the Span Direction tool on the Draw panel allows for another line of the perimeter to be assigned the span direction. The Line Segment tool is selected to sketch additional lines to define the sketch of the floor boundary. The Trim tool is then used to finish cleaning up the sketch, forming a closed loop boundary for the floor. When the sketch is complete, click the check mark on the Mode panel to save the changes and exit sketch mode. In the warning message about cutting geometry, No is selected. In a 3D view, you can see the mezzanine floor.